In this guide, I will show you how to watch Fox 1 live on YouTube. The Fox 1 channel is set to stream selected FIFA World Cup 2026 matches live on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website. Then search for Fox 1 in the search bar. Once you open the channel, you'll be able to see upcoming FIFA World Cup match schedules and live event listings. When a match goes live, simply visit the channel and start watching directly from there. This is a fully official viewing method, as Fox 1 has secured broadcasting rights through an agreement related to FIFA World Cup coverage. Please note that availability may vary by region, and this viewing option is intended for audiences in the United States. Also, remember that Fox 1 will only make these matches available to premium membership users. This means you may need to purchase the required premium access on YouTube to watch the games live. New users may also be eligible for a 3-day free trial, allowing them to explore the service before subscribing. Once your premium access is activated, you'll be able to enjoy the FIFA World Cup matches live through the official broadcast on YouTube. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.